Today's lesson features the letter D. The title of today's lesson is The Do's and Don'ts of Owning a Dog. If you do get a dog, do go for a walk. Do give it food and water. Do teach it manners. Do provide a bed or doghouse. And do let it play outside. Here are some of the don'ts. Don't let it dig in the dirt. Don't feed it people food. Don't forget to give it a bath. Don't let it drool. And don't forget to let it doze when it needs to sleep. If you do something, you take positive action. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Do you know how to take care of them? Yes, I do. If you do not do something, or you don't do it, you take a negative action. There are some things you should not do when you have a dog. This dog's name is Angel. Angel is a very sweet dog, but don't be fooled. Don't let the dog drool. Angel loves to drool, but be careful. Do let the dog take a rest. Don't let the dog sit on the couch. Angel, you're still on the couch. Do let the dog have some fun, and at the end of the day, do let her get some good rest. This dog's name is Bentley. He likes to go for car rides. Do say hello to Bentley. He's at home now. When he's at home, don't let Bentley climb up onto the cupboards and the drawers. But do let Bentley go out to play in the snow. See you later, Bentley. Next, I want to introduce you to Brutus. Brutus is a very big dog, but he's also very shy. Brutus is a Great Pyrenees. And even though he is a Great Pyrenees and a very big dog, he is afraid. Don't be afraid, Brutus. There's nothing to worry about, Brutus. Don't come in here, you bad cat. It's okay, Brutus. We'll keep you safe. If a cat scares Brutus, do make sure that he feels safe. Do make sure that he feels loved. Then Brutus will be happy. This is a picture of a dog named Digger that my nephew drew. This is a picture that my niece drew of the same dog. The pictures look different, but they're both this dog named Digger. Digger likes to dig in the dirt. But remember, if Digger decides to dig down in the dirt, don't let Digger dig down deep in the dirty dirt. I repeat, don't let Digger dig down deep in the dirty dirt. If you don't let Digger dig down deep in the dirty dirt, he may be a bit upset, but actually, he's a very good dog. This dog's name is Dozer. Dozer was named after a bulldozer because, like a bulldozer, Dozer likes to push things and people over. Ever since he was a puppy, Dozer always loved to doze. To doze means to take a nap, to sleep, to get a rest. This girl is dozing in the sunshine. She's sleeping or taking a nap. Dozer still likes to doze now. This is a picture of a young Dozer. If you look closely, you'll notice that he doesn't have very many wrinkles. He stays in shape by going for walks. Do take your dog for a walk. And if he wants, do let your dog go for a swim. Don't let the dog go out too far, but if he's a strong swimmer, do play fetch with him. Do make sure that your dog swims back, but don't let him shake water all over you. And remember, after his bath, do groom him. In the winter, Dozer likes to go for walks in the snow. If he goes too far, do remember to bring his leash. When he gets back, don't let him bite the couch. If he's hungry, do drop Dozer's delicious dinner in the dog dish. And don't forget to have some fun. This dog's name is Hugo. I took a long car ride with Hugo, and he liked to doze in the back of the car. Don't dance with dozing dogs, they'll have dizzy dreams. After your dog has dozed, do take him to the park. Do clean up every day after your dog dumps doo-doo. Do remember to have adventures with your dog. Here, Hugo is driving a train. After all of that fun, when you get back to the car, don't forget your dog's seatbelt. This dog's name is Ozzy. Do provide a good bed for your dog. Don't let your dog bite on its gate. Do give him a lot of toys to play with. Next up is Pixie. Don't be deceived. She looks innocent, but Pixie is just a little bit sneaky. If she can get into trouble, she will. If Pixie's going out, do have her leash and do have her coat. Don't let her go the wrong way, and do give her lots of hugs and support when she gets home. And most importantly, don't forget to give your dog a makeover from time to time. She never really knew this happened. Or this either. Don't forget to laugh. Being happy is important for both you and your dog. After Pixie, we have Ruger. Ruger is an outdoor dog. He lives outside. Remember, do leave the dog door of the doghouse down after dark. Do leave the dog door of the doghouse down after dark. That way Ruger can have a good sleep. Speaking of sleep, this is Samson. He's fallen asleep in his dish. Don't let the dog's drool drip down into the dish. He loves to doze. As he got older, he liked to sit on the couch. Don't let dogs sit on the couch, but do let them have some fun. And remember, good deeds deserve doubly delicious treats. This dog's name is Sheba. She's doing something dangerous. Dangerous means not very safe. The dragon in this picture is very dangerous because there's fire shooting out of its mouth. Sheba is doing something very dangerous because she's running on a frozen lake. Don't let your dog do dangerous things. That dragon is dangerous. Do keep your dog safe from dragons. Most importantly, don't forget to love your dog. This is Tonka, and this is Tucker, and they're just extras in this video, but we love them all the same. So, do you remember the do's and don'ts of owning a dog? Yes, I do. Do continue. Do clean up every day after your dog dumps doo-doo. Do leave the dog door of the doghouse down after dark. Don't dance with dozing dogs, they'll have dizzy dreams. Don't let the dog's drool drip down in its dish. Don't let Digger dig down deep in the dirty dirt. And do drop Dozer's delicious dinner in the dog dish. And of course, good deeds deserve doubly delicious treats. Owning a dog could be difficult, but do not give up. You can do it. You have just learned some of the do's and don'ts of owning a dog. Most importantly, do love your dog, and don't forget the doo-doo. Dogs can teach us a lot about life. I would like to thank the dogs I've known for inspiring this video. The dogs I've known in alphabetical order are Angel, Bentley, Brutus, Digger, Dozer, Hugo, Ozzy, Pixie, Ruger, Samson, Sheba, Tonka, and last but not least, Tucker. And don't forget scallywag and shadow. Happy dozing and keep studying English.